Shell is a small-scale energy company. We are an e-bike battery manufacturer. Today I would like to introduce our lithium battery for electric motorcycle for you. Let's see, this one is 48 voltage and this was 60 voltage. We also can make 72 voltage and more higher voltage. Look at this battery. It comes with an LCD display and metal handles. And this is the one to charge and discharge port. It's three pin. Later I will test the battery with our scooter and to show you how it runs. Hello guys, today I would like to show you how to install the battery with the motorcycles. Let's go. Okay, let's open the seat covers first, and then put the battery inside the storage. Inside, and then this is the connector of the motorcycle. Connect to the battery. Just plug it inside. Okay. Close the power. Then you will see. Come here. Power on it. You can see this was 48 voltage. And let's see. Okay. Thank you.